So for me, it started back in 1995 when I started my first consulting business. I was working for a company at that time, and in that company, I wanted to do my own consulting business. I had learned project management. I used to be a civil engineer. I had learned coaching of my team members. I had been a Dale Carnegie instructor while I was an engineer, so I did that in the evening. And I had found my passion. And so my heart actually told me to go down this path to what I like to say is the engineering of the human mind and the human heart. So how do you use a strategic planning process as a way to get your people to engage, feel a part of the organization, feel a sense of buy-in for the future of the organization? And that's what this class is all about. So I'm going to show you a 25 plus years experience of different facilitation tools, techniques, things you might do with the strategic planning process to get that engagement. If you're doing your own strategic plan right now, it'll get you thinking through what it is. And if you don't have a partner of some sort, whether it's a mentor or whether it's someone that you're in business together, you'll be missing a very important part to the success.